Now, whether you're looking to expedite your trading knowledge or skills or just improve your overall performance, our 4-day in-person workshop has been designed to expedite your learning process, improve your overall execution and analysis skills, and get you making money as quickly as possible. It starts with our Gamechanger trading system. Not only will you understand how the trading system works, you'll be able to execute trades from day one. And that's going to lead into developing further analysis skills with regards to the technicals and fundamentals, so we can isolate the best trade setups and then increase our capital on those trading opportunities. And this is how you become a consistently successful trader. The 4-day in-person workshop is equivalent to 12 months of trading. So if you're serious about your trading and becoming a consistently successful trader, then sign up for one of our 4-day in-person workshops and we'll make it happen for you. If you have any questions, just jump online, book a quick 15-minute meeting, and I'll personally answer your questions. Believe me, the results we get out of our traders out of these workshops is absolutely amazing. If you're ready for a different approach and ready to be successful, sign up today and I look forward to working with you.